I got the TV. You can see my mom up there. That's my house. I'll show you my house from up here. Right here. This is my mommy.
No, just go do it so we can get
So
in
now,
there.
I'm going to show you my trick. So what you do is you put this here. And then you put that down. Wait, that didn't work. Hold on. Bye-bye. So you put it up at the corner. How do you do this? How do you do this? It's not working.
Yeah.
How do you do this? Oh. Come on, my mom can help. Hold on. We're trying to get this fixed and figured out. Are you sure it's not supposed to go? It works, it's just not on the right thing. Is it, are you sure it doesn't go like this?
There you go.
That was the trick. Now I'll show you from down here. So you can actually see the thing. And then you'll be seeing this on YouTube too. Because I'll be posting this cool trick.
Come on, Haley,
Watch
let's
again.
go.
Oh, let me just do it one more time. Because I didn't get to see from the bottom. It actually looks like somebody's crawling down the stairs.
All right, come on.
Okay, let me get my thing. I said, come watch me get my house.
Come on.
I'm coming, Mom.
Gate is closing.
So I just walked into my house. That's my trick. Hope you liked it. You can use a big slinky or a medium slinky. Doesn't matter. Just any slinky. Hope you enjoyed this.